Hello and welcome to Kanen Coffee Espresso Machines. Today we're testing this old atomic stovetop espresso machine. Really a beautiful machine, and you can see we have a nice slow drip of espresso coming out, and the pressure is coming up. This particular one, we put a new pressure gauge on it. Once we get to 1 bar, we can go ahead and check the steam. I didn't have it quite tight enough, but looks like there's a little bit of a leak, but I'm not sure I'm going to get that resolved. It's pretty slow. Yeah, but let's test the steam. Hard to do this with one hand. Get nice strong steam. So thank you for repairing with Kanen Coffee. Please like our videos below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, subscribe to our channel. Thank you.